Welcome to Mailbag, where I spend my money so you don't have to spend yours. If it's your first time here, click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy it. Right, let's see what's in here. Thanks to my Patreon supporters who their donations mean I can buy things like this. I can buy items from Mailbag with the money from Patreon, so it's very helpful. So if you want to support me and help support the channel, please check out the links down below in the description if you're interested. I mean, if you're not, that's fine too. What is this? Screwdriver? Just gotta get it that way. The packaging is interesting. Anyway. iPhone. Everything comes with these iPhone eject tools and suckers and the opening tools. Anyway, never mind. That's not what I bought it for. It came a little magnetizer, demagnetizer. That was always handy. I've already got one somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is actually. So it's a little screwdriver set with long shafts, which is the reason I got it, because it's got quite long shafts on them, and various bits which are quite small. So that's a pH 000, 1.5mm flat on the end, and that should go in there if I loosen it off, I think. How does that work? It's just plastic. It's got a plastic bit on there. I think I should just push in there. I think it should. I was expecting it would. There we go. Alright, so that'll go right into the handle, so you've got adjustable length. You don't have to have the whole length, you can always have it short. But the fact it goes into the handle is quite nice. And yeah, I don't know, I'm not sure about that whole plastic bit on the end there. That's probably not quite what I was expecting. I was expecting a metal grip. So yeah, still not might be great, but we'll see how we go. But I got this little set because I wanted to have some long reach tips, because a lot of tips I've got which have got these weird sizes are only quite short. So there's been times when I've wanted to have longer ones. That's pH 00. What's that? It's a 0.8 security bit, like pentalobe thing. 1.2mm one. So yeah, it's got a wide range. It's got a triangle bit there as well. Little fork bit. And a whole bunch of other ones. So I'm not going to shave a little piece, but these, I'll put a link to this down in the description to go to this item. It's got these various ones here, these Torx bits. Right, the various sizes. I think that's the biggest one there. So what's that? Torx 7. So yeah, they've got quite a wide range. And that's a 5. So I wanted to have a full range of them because I just didn't seem to have enough. And you know, it's always a pain when you don't have enough stuff. You always need more stuff, always. I don't think so. So yeah, it's not the best case. So see what's in this one. Okay, some more battery holders. These are AAA's, triple AAA's. Right, I think they're AAA's. They're a lot of AAA's. Yeah, they're AAA's. So 3 of those. So I've got 3 triple AAA's. So it's the 3 T3s. Yeah. Alright, what's in this one? Maybe one of them should be some knife blades, I don't know. No. More screwdriver bit stuff. I don't know why, I've just gone through a little phase of buying Torx screwdriver bits. Yeah, it happens. I don't know what it is. It's not like I'm a drinker or anything. I don't really drink actually, to be honest. There's 2 spare holes there. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, it was an 8-bit set I bought. So these are Torx bits with the holes in the end, so like security Torx. Get in here, as you can see it, hopefully. Right, not that exciting. And it goes from what size to what size? There you go. It's marked on the bottom there. Somewhere. Pull this one out. Maybe not. S2. What the hell that is? I can't be right. Hold on. Let's pull it out. Well, that's in there tight. Okay. Yeah. S2, there we go. T8. It says T8. That makes more sense. Okay, so that's 8, Torx 8, up to wherever that one is there, which might be easier to push it backwards to get it out, which is a 40, Torx 40, which is quite a handy set to have because you've got all these intermediate sizes, which are ones which get used quite a bit. I currently have a screwdriver which has got a Torx 15, I think it is, which is probably, is that one? There's a 27. What's that one there? That's a 30. Should probably align them all so they're all the same around, shouldn't I? You can just see them then. That'd be nice. So that's a 25. I can see myself stabbing myself on one of these. Alright, do it that way. That's a 20. There's a 15. Next one down is what? It's a 10. Which is one I have used, and I've had to improvise a little bit because I haven't actually had one. I've had to use little bits and sorts of stuff. And that one there is a 6. Or an 8. That's an 8. So that's alright. I'm not sure I like the holder, but I suppose it keeps them organised, doesn't it? It's not like you get things in and out all the time. A 40 down to an 8. So I shouldn't have any issues with Torx now because I've got those sizes. I've got some smaller sizes than 8 already. I've already got 6, and other ones I think got down to 1.5. I think it's the ones I've got normally. So I've also got these ones here too, which came with it. I don't know what these were for. That's an 8 as well. That's a 10. So I should be the same as those, shouldn't I? Yeah, they are. So yeah, I should be okay for Torx screwdrivers now then. Alright, see what's in this one. So it's quite promising. And it's another bit set, which is very similar to the other one I've got just there actually. Very similar, it's got the same handle on it actually. It's got the same handle. I didn't buy it for that. I bought it for this one. This big handle, which has got these other bits, which are like standard bits that go in there. Alright, so no different. It's also got a side mounting hole like that, so you can use it as like a T-bar instead. So that's a short bit. It also got these longer bits like this, so get in there. If your sandwich is really tight, you've got something decent to hold on to, and you can put a lot of leverage onto it. Assuming of course it doesn't fall apart when you do it, but yeah, not bad. It's changeable obviously, but yeah, that's as more options. It does say what bits it has in here actually. Let's try and read it. So you've got the H6, which is 0.3 by 140, Phillips 1, slot 5, slot 4, Phillips 2, slot 6, Phillips 2, slot 6 again, but that's a short one. So yeah, that's right. So it's got some duplication there, but doesn't really matter. Sometimes you need something like that, where you need something a bit more heavy duty than just a normal screwdriver to try and get in there. I don't think this is very heavy duty, but it's got the bits that the other one has. I think pretty much the same bits, same ranges. Got some nice small ones there. It's got some duplication with the other set there, but well, that's what happens when I'm going a bit funny about buying stuff. I get a bit carried away sometimes. I just don't know why that happens really. It just happens. Alright, so what's in this one? I suspect it might be screwdrivers. Seems to be the current theme. Oh look, it is. I have to say, they've been arriving quite quickly. I only ordered these last week. The whole lot of them, I only ordered them last week, so they've actually arrived very quick. Very quick. So, now these are hexagonal screwdrivers. Right, so it's got hex on there. I'll show you a bit closer. Right, so all just hexagonal. So instead of using Allen key, you can use a screwdriver. These is aluminium, but the feel of it don't weigh very much. That feels like brass. So I don't know how those are going to be. They're supposed to be titanium, but you never know. I doubt it's titanium somehow. So set of 4, and we've got 1.5mm, 2mm, 2.5, and 3mm. So these sorts of things cut from time to time. You know, sometimes you just need something you can get in there, but you can't get in with an Allen key. So I'm just trying to give a wider range of tools which help in those awkward situations where you're just trying to get to something which is a bit tricky. So that's that. Again, there'll be links down below for this in the description there. So, and if you like mailbag videos, go and check out my other videos. I've got loads of mailbag videos. I do one a week. I do a mailbag video on a Monday. That's New Zealand time. So if you caught this one and it's the first time you've seen one, or you're fairly new to the channel, then come back every Monday and you'll see another one here. I publish on a Monday New Zealand time, so for you it might be a Sunday, right? It might come out late Sunday or mid Sunday, something like that for you, depending on what time zone you're in. And but by Monday it'll definitely be there for you. Okay, I've also got this box turned up today from eBay. I've purchased a few bits of test gear off eBay recently. I'm trying to build up a small stock of projects to do. So I've been trying to find cheap bits of test gear, which is broken ideally, although probably not broken severely, and just trying to buy bits and pieces and allow me to have projects to do. So yeah, what's in the box? Even I don't know actually, because I've purchased a few things. I don't know which one it is. It's packaging. Right, peanuts. Oh dear. I don't like peanuts because things tend to settle in them and they end up sitting at the bottom of the box with no detection. Let's have a feel. It feels like it's wrapped in newspaper as well. So, right, let's try and get this out. Hopefully without making too much mess. It's not looking very promising. Oh, it's going to go everywhere. I'll come back after I've got the thing out of the box. Oh, I'm nearly there. I only spilt about a couple of handfuls on the floor. Okay. But at least it's been done well. Good packaging. That's nice. There's paper on the bottom there to protect it. So, yeah. 100% packaging. Excellent. Very nicely done. Whoever sent that, good job. If you ever send bits of test gear, package it like this. Nice. Right, here we go. Let's get into it. Oh, wait, there's some more. Oh, they're everywhere. Well packaged, but peanuts are a pain. So at least they packaged it well, that's the main thing. So, what's in here? Ooh, looks like HP, but is it? Let's get this out of the way. Oh, my carpet's a mess now. Wife only vacuumed it yesterday. She's going to tell me off. Right, just don't tell her. Oh, she'll notice. Anyway, okay. Right, any guesses what it is? It's a HP pulse generator. Switch feels kind of okay. It was a little bit stuck. Switches don't feel the best there. Could have used a bit of a clean. It's a pretty old thing. I'm not quite sure what year it is. Bit of a knob cover missing there. I didn't notice that before. It doesn't really matter that much. Okay, well, controls seem to be at least moving. They're not seized up or anything. So yeah, I thought I'd get a pulse generator because, you know, why not? That manual button, it was, yeah, push the make button, that's fine. So that's the output. It's got trigger gating as well, trigger input. I suppose it means you can cascade them. If you wanted to get in and out, you could cascade a few units and do a sequence or something. Possible. That switch there is broken. Didn't notice that before. Mind you, maybe I wasn't looking closely enough. Broken switch. That could be a problem. Especially with this many positions. Yes, well, that's going to be interesting, isn't it? 75, yeah, I think that's actually what I paid for, actually. It was 75 bucks US. I think that's what I paid. Line selectors, let's do this now before I forget about it, So I want 220 volt or 240 volt, that one. I want it that one. Let's get something. Use one of these. I'll do fine. So in the position here, it's doing 240 or 220 volts. So I want 240, which is fine. Well, I should try powering it up and to see what kind of life we get out of it. Or shall I open it first? Even that switch is not freeing the best. Well, I think I might open it first. Here we go. There's my control boards. Visually, looks kind of alright. Can't see anything obvious on there. Always like to try and open things up if I can and have a look and just make sure there's nothing badly wrong with it. Nothing's floating around inside, that kind of thing. Usually you can hear it, but I don't always put them apart and have a look before I turn the things on. I'll have to go back to the listing actually and have a look at those issues it has with the front panel. Got big caps in there. 1000 microfarad, 40 volt. Big heat sinks on those transistors there. They are soldered directly in, so it's not like they're falling out or anything. And front panel controls there. Where's that switch? It's right there. So switch is here. So trying to get that apart is going to be interesting. So it's screw missing. Someone's already had this thing apart. So there's a screw missing there as well. Yeah. You got this. There's a wire here. A couple of wires here which aren't connected up. Just here. See those? Hanging off. Yeah, someone's been messing with this. Could be a more interesting repair than I thought. I was hoping for something simple. Well packaged, give them that, but oh well, it's a project. That's what it's meant for. I mean, the fact that these aren't pointing to the right places means these have been off. None of them are really going to the right places. They're all going to different places. Like, you turn them all the way around, they're all still in different places. Someone's just shoved them all back on again, and roughly just like yeah. So all these have been off. Someone's had this front panel apart. Maybe because of that switch. Maybe I couldn't get another one. I don't know. So, right, that's enough waffling.